Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here today with another Tuesday morning haul for you. And as you can see, there was a whole ton of illustrated faith, which in my new walk of life is, wow, something it's providence. It was meant to be there for me, and I promise soon I will tell the whole story. And yeah. So let's start with the Dear Lizzie stuff. So we got this Dear Lizzie. We have the chipboard thickers and that's called Magical. And there is the product locator number for that, 208-2158 for $1.49. And I love that gold foil. And then these are the stickers that go with that same collection. And again, more gold foil. And some fun little words down there. Then also from the Valentine stuff is Heart Day, and I may have picked this up 2 weeks ago, but I really liked some of these. And so yeah, product locator number 207-3173. Lots of stickers there, lots of labels. I'm always a fan of labels, and this is why I had to have that. I want to do something with those little banners there and the strawberries. And then if there's two non-illustrated faith things that I did pick up, this is the 4x6 sticker pack from Simple Stories, the Dream Big collection. There's 243 stickers in there, and so on the back you can see there's some planner stickers, some word stickers, more sort of word stickers, just words that are not on color, and so a ton of stuff to choose from there, which product locator number 207-8677 for $1.99. That's a great deal. And then these are some Project Life acetate shapes. Those are the shapes on the back there, so sort of subtle. They kind of have a Cocoa Vanilla Studio feel to them to me, and so I thought that I could work those in with the Cocoa Vanilla that I got from Scrapbook Your Joy. Then this is all of the illustrated faith stuff that I picked up. So there's some sticker tabs, some stickers, cardstock stickers, puffy stickers, paper pieces. Those are all the washi books, and these are the designer clips. So let me move some of this out of the way so you can see a nice white background, and we'll go through that. This is the Seeds of Faith tabs. Product locator number 208-1096 for $1.49, and those are all the tabs back there. So they don't have to be just for illustrated faith. There's things like, yes, it says Jesus there, but there's Fly and Let It Go, Beautiful. So I thought that would be good for more than just Bible journaling. I don't actually plan on using this for Bible journaling, but for my Project Life, and it's my Project Real Life Unscripted series that should be coming up soon. I'm going to mix this in with some other stuff, but I do have some biblical passages that I have been clinging to, and so some of this was kind of will play a part in that. So also from Seeds of Faith, these are the sticker tabs. So those are all the tabs. And again, there's multi-use to all of this. And that's the product locator number there, 208-1119, $1.49. Also $1.49. These are Bright and Brave. So you can see how the colors are a little bit brighter. And again, very functional outside of, yes, pray and faith and Jesus, but functional outside of that as well if you used some of those others. You could also cover that up too, but I think there's ways that you could all use it, even if it weren't up your alley, the religious aspect of that. So 208-1118. And then these are the paper pieces that go with that. And again, I love those bright colors. Those are my colors. And 208-1105. Then I have both the stickers for both of those same collections, Seeds of Faith and Bright and Brave. Now, all of this there were more than this. I just got the ones that appealed to me. So 208 2081092 is the product locator number there for $1.49. And there are 3 sheets of stickers, 34 pieces. I love those little birds and the butterflies. And that. And then for this collection, the brighter color, the Bright and Brave, 2081091, and those are the stickers there. And then these are crosses, puffy stickers. I'm not a huge fan of the colors, but I'm going to do something with that. 2081112, and so then these are the cardstock stickers that go with the You Are Loved collection. These were the only cardstock stickers that my store had, and I got these because I really liked the words, and I liked that alpha as well. And there's a whole bunch of stuff. I mean, it would coordinate with across, and that's a nice thing about these collections, is that they will coordinate across the lines. So lots of stuff there to choose from. And for $2.99, that's just a great deal. 10 sticker sheets with 599 stickers. Product locator number 2081093. And then I have 4 of the washi books. I got the Bright and Brave Seeds of Faith, which I have a lot of stuff there. She Blooms, as well as You Are Loved. So there's the You Are Loved 2081126. And those are all the different washies there. And I like that there's shapes in the washi, as well as the strips there. The She Blooms 2081125, and lots of fun shapes as well. This is the Seeds of Faith. I love those feathers and the hearts. His love never fails. And that's everything in there. And the product locator number for that is 2081123. And this is the Bright and Brave, product locator number 2081122. And those are the shapes there. So thanks for stopping in today. I hope you're doing well. If you have any questions about things that you saw or want to see a little bit more of, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box down below. Thanks for stopping in today. Take care.